I think, again, our body functions according to so many things to regulate our own hormones. So the hormones go up and down to protect us, or as a reflex to so many things happening in our life. I would say that my advice, I think, is hormonal wise. I would avoid taking any supplements that might at the end hurt the adrenal function more. Steroids are very beneficial. There are a lot of diseases that steroids are the only solution. So if you need to be on a steroid medicine because of some other disease, then this is okay, but we cannot abuse that. I do not recommend taking any of the supplements that people take in the gym for bodybuilding, because this ends up at the end having negative impacts on the adrenal function and on their testosterone level as well. Do not take any supplements. Like, we really don't need any. Our body should be able to function on its own, other than maybe multivitamins. If you think that your food is lacking in fruits and vegetables, then we can supplement our with once a day multivitamin, or some of the other vitamins that have just very measured amounts and physiological amounts of what we need. But otherwise, I'd advise against any over the counter that is considered to be an adrenal support or stuff like this, because again, it ends up causing a negative impact. Food wise, I think we all need to eat healthy. We all need, again, please don't let stress affect your kill you, or the stress of a job affects you to where you are basically having a lot of emotional eating. We have to eat the best we can, vegetables, proteins, focusing on like looking into the carbs portions, and what is considered to be the healthy eating, and exercising as well. I don't think we have enough evidence that any specific diet can support the adrenal glands more than other, or any supplements that we can take from outside will support the adrenal gland more than other. Again, just eat healthy, exercise, lower the stress if you can, lower the pace of your life. And if you have any of the symptoms, discuss with your primary doctor possibility, and if there is concern, we are happy to see you.